Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide tokens without balance on the MetaMask application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the wallet button down below and tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on settings. Click on general, which is the first option. Scroll down to the hide tokens without balance section. So by clicking on this button below, you can prevent tokens with no balance from displaying in your token listings. So if you want to disable this feature, just come back to this section and click on the same button again. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.